For beginners raising birds of paradise, curling and cracking are common. They start to decline, becoming rarer over time. Master, how should we care for them? First, about cracking. Birds of paradise leaves crack due to low humidity. This is determined by air moisture levels. Only a humid grow room prevents cracking. It's a banana relative. Leaf cracking is normal. Second, curling is from lack of light. Sun exposure is debated, but except in summer, sunlight is beneficial. Third, thinning stems are hollow. Focus on fertilizing to prevent rot and sparseness. Fourth, watering. The root system is fleshy. Cold water turns to sweat and oxygen. Progress. Overwatering rots fleshy roots. Excess oxides cause issues.